Good evening and welcome to the 2019 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Buff Bay Primary from Portland up against Eltham Park Primary from St. Catherine. I am your host, Tony K. Dawkins, and the action begins right now. Time now for section one of the competition, where both teams will be asked questions alternately with 10 seconds to answer, 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Eltham Park Primary won. They decided to play first. This section lasts for 4 minutes. We'll have that time on the clock. We begin section one with you, Eltham Park, in Bible knowledge. How many chapters are in the book of Psalms in the Bible?
150. 150.
That's right. Buff Bay Bible knowledge. How many chapters are in the book of Obadiah in the Bible?
5.
That's incorrect. It's 1. Eltham science, true or false? Friction helps when pulling a box of bottles over a rough road.
True. You pick Lizzie. True.
That's incorrect. It's false. Buff Bay science, true or false? Friction helps when walking on a pavement with rough-soled shoes.
True.
That's right. Eltham local affairs, it's a visual question. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Christopher Tufton.
That's incorrect. It's Anthony Hilton. Buff Bay local affairs, visual question. Look at the monitor. Identify the person.
Michael Clark.
That's incorrect. It's another member of Parliament, Fitz Jackson. Eltham Park English language. Spell essential.
ESSENTIAL.
That's correct. Buff Bay English language. Spell fanatic.
FANATIC.
That's correct. Eltham television. It's another visual question. Look at the monitor. Identify the actor.
John Brown.
That's incorrect. It's Nick Jonas. Buff Bay television, another visual for you. Look at the monitor. Identify the actor.
Taylor Nardino.
That's incorrect. It's Ross Lynch. Eltham Park general knowledge. What's the capital of Sri Lanka?
Colombo.
That's right. Buff Bay general knowledge. What's the capital of the Philippines? Time's up. Question passes to Eltham.
No, thank you.
It's Manila. Eltham still with you in social studies. How many voyages did Christopher Columbus make to the Caribbean?
4.
That's correct. Buff Bay social studies. In what year was Christopher Columbus's first voyage to the Caribbean?
1492.
That's correct. Eltham Park music. Which local artist recorded the song Remove My Enemies?
Kevin Downswell.
That's incorrect. It was Nesbeth. Buff Bay music. Which local artist recorded the song I'm a Big Deal?
Christopher Martin.
Also incorrect. That's Romaine Virgo. Eltham Park mathematics. Oh, I'm sorry. That is actually correct. Eltham Park primary mathematics. What's the square root of 144 plus the square of 5?
37.
That's correct. Buff Bay mathematics. What's 14 squared minus the square root of 81?
4.
That's incorrect. The correct answer is actually 187. And that bell signifies the end of section 1. We have Eltham Park Primary on 5 points, Buff Bay Primary on 4. Yes, that's correct. Now, before we go to the break, here's a friendly tip for the kids from NCB Insurance. And the tip is, do homework when you are alert and focused. Sometimes a quick nap before homework works wonders. Stay with us. The Junior Challenge Face-Off is up next.